We guide you through how to turn on safe mode for Samsung phones. So first, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears on your screen. Then tap and hold the power off option until the prompt pops up asking if you want to reboot into safe mode. Tap safe mode to confirm and your phone will restart automatically. Once it turns back on, you'll see safe mode displayed at the bottom corner of the screen, which means only system apps are running and all third-party apps are temporarily disabled. Now, use your phone normally and check if the issue lagging, crashing, or overheating is gone. If the problem disappears, then a downloaded app is likely to cause, so you can start uninstalling recently installed apps one by one. To exit safe mode, simply restart your phone by pressing the power button and tapping restart, and your device will go back to normal mode with all apps enabled.